Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, April the 19th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the jigsaw Sudoku with 10 printed digits. But you are interested in this one, the binary puzzle number 8394. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Let me start with a double one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Double one, here no, there no. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. And 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1, double one, here no, there no. Then double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. And double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. And double one, here no, there no. And 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Finished. 2 minutes. Wow. This one is very quick to solve. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.